Hey guys, my name's Ollie Templeton. At home, cooking with some Real Kombucha. I've gone for the Royal Flush, super nice peachy rhubarby kombucha. With that, I'm just going to do a dish that's all cooked in one pot. It's going to be Hake, which we're going to emulsify with some Hake stock. So I use the head and the bones to bring down like a nice stock. And just like kind of braise some potatoes, asparagus, red peppers, chili, garlic, onions. Add the fish, add breadcrumbs, let it kind of stew and emulsify with lots of olive oil. And then just add some fresh herbs from the garden. So yeah, let's get going. So here is some of the prep just to get this dish going. So I've got some lovely English asparagus, some potatoes, some diced onion, some grilled and peeled red peppers, garlic, red chili, and then just some hake. So I'm out in my garden. Chard. Just take some little kale. Alright, let's take this nice little flowering bit. Once that will be enough. Great. So here's all the ingredients that we need. Super colourful, super fresh, just some breadcrumbs at the end. I'm gonna get going with the cooking. Add potatoes, cook them for around 3 or 4 minutes just to parboil. Get a load of olive oil. Add the onions first. A little bit of salt. So the potatoes are like 80% of the way there. They're not fully cooked through. Just take them out of the water. Now I'm just going to add the asparagus. Blanch and refresh it quickly. So that will get like 20 seconds. This can now come out. Cool, so the onions are swelling down. Add the garlic. That's like 3 cloves of garlic. I don't really want too much colour, just kind of get the nice and translucent. It smells super nice and garlicky. At this stage, I'm going to add the parboiled potatoes. So they go in. And then some of this good stuff. So the Royal Flush kombucha, just a splash. And they still do need to cook a bit more. I've just got a little wok pot. I'm just going to put that on top just to kind of create some steam. Whilst the potatoes are steaming with the onions, garlic, kombucha, I've just got some dill, got some parsley. Just going to kind of like really roughly pick it. It's just going to kind of get wilted in right at the end. Just going to turn the heat up. So, and then just put the hake, which I'm not going to put salt on because it was brined, 10% brine for 10 minutes. So that's 10% salt to water ratio. So I've got the stock, which I'm going to add. Add another nice splash of kombucha. That's not a whole bottle I'd added in because I haven't been drinking it as I go. So that's just splashed in there. Get the pan moving, turn the heat down. Add the peppers. Add the asparagus. Add a last splash of kombucha. Perfect alternative to wine, beautiful acidity, so it's not going to need too much lemon juice. So I'm going to just like take this off the heat and let the residual heat from the pan just cook through. Cool, so now we're just going to plate this dish up. I'm going to take a piece of the fish. We've got the chard in there, peppers, potatoes, onions, garlic. Like a super nice, sour, fresh sauce. Final squeeze of lemon. Some of the kale flowers that I picked from my garden just earlier. Some of the herb stalks. And a bit of red chili. Last thing, just a few breadcrumbs. Some texture on top. Cool, so we've got it. We've got the Royal Flush, Real Kombucha. With hake cooked in the same kombucha, olive oil, and some seasonal vegetables, breadcrumbs, and garden herbs. Thank you.